What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another highly combustible reaction. We're jumping into the next one on our Aurora journey. Nature Boy acapella. I'm assuming it's Nat King Cole's Nature Boy. That song I definitely know. I've seen a couple different versions of it. But yeah, let's jump in. Let's check it out together. Aurora in Amsterdam. What could be better? Let's go. Let's see what we got. Welcome back, Warriors and Weirdos. I've missed you guys, by the way.
Oh, thank you.
It's probably going to be very enchanted in the acapella way.
She loves my nose. She said, "Thank you. I made it myself." And the hair I cut a few days ago. It's because I felt like I had this short hair the whole beginning, but then it grew, and I hate going to the hair.
Aurora being Aurora,
so
I love it.
Myself, like, it's just very strange, and then you. I don't like it. So then my hair just became very long, and now I thought for this campaign, for this year, I'm gonna have a bit of both. So I'm keeping myself here in the front, and I'm having the old me in the back. Yeah, your hair is really nice, by the way. Yeah, I cut it with the food, with the kitchen scissors. And I had a wonderful night with myself the night before, and I had some wine and some pizza, and then I had to clean the scissors. And
before anybody asks, I just realized that I have something what looks like a hickey right here. That is not. That is when my cat scratched me when they had to get inside the vet car the other day. So yeah, those aren't hickeys, okay? Before anybody's like, oh, someone been sucking on Harley's neck. No, that ain't the case.
And there was a lot of food on it. But it's kind of like, you can still smell the pizza if you have
You can't help but think she's adorable. She's like the epitome of being yourself. I love it.
I like to shower, though. I think it's really boring. The next song. Yes. And the next song is... Oh, you want to hear that? Okay.
Was it just a spontaneous thing?
Maybe I'll just do it. I can do it a cappella. Because I don't have...
Hey, there are seriously artists out there that are terrified of doing things a cappella or without auto-tune or anything like that. So it's the fact that she's just like, well, we can't really get the music. Oh, you know what? I'll just knock it out for you. Come on. Talent.
Because I don't have... There was a boy.
Oh, Lord.
A very strange, enchanted boy. They say he wandered very far, very far, over land and sea. A little shy and sad of eye, but very wise was he. And then one day, a lucky day, he passed my way. And then, what happened then?
We spoke of many things. Fools and kings.
But he told me many things. Fools and kings. This he said to me. The greatest thing you'll ever learn is to love and be loved and return.
Holy crap. I absolutely adore her. Like, I promise you, that is the most real, adorable version of this song that's ever been posted on YouTube. Really? We got up to the part he was there with me, and then what do we do next? Like, nobody else would let you see that kind of a hiccup. Nobody but Aurora, who knows that her fans don't care about that anyway. Most certainly, shout out to the Warriors and Weirdos out there. You know, you guys are always welcome here, no matter who you are, no matter what you love, no matter any of that garbage. Everybody's welcome. We love Aurora, most certainly. She's done a lot of healing over here. I don't know. It's just something her about every single performance, and you can't say that with a lot of cookie cutter groups. Smash the like button if you liked it, the dislike button, but I won't believe you. Check out the other video over there. Until the next time, make sure you get over and show G Karssen some love. We're already subbed up, we've already smashed the like button. Go show Aurora some love. I love y'all to the moon and back. Peace.